Let's also get you details of the coronavirus scare in Rajasthan at a time when we're seeing a spike in the number of cases almost every single day in Rajasthan. Top leaders of the BJP in the state have all been quarantined. Why? Well, they all came together to attend a funeral, and that sparked off a scare of the spread of coronavirus. In fact, the top leadership of the Rajasthan Bharatiya Janata Party had come together for the funeral of former Rajasthan BJP chief Bhanwar Lal Sharma. This as Bhanwar Lal Sharma's PA has now tested positive for coronavirus. The PA was present at the time of the death and final rites of the leader. He met several top leaders of the BJP, including current state BJP President Satish Punia and BJP MLA Ashok Lahoti, who were present during the final rites of the former BJP state president. Sharma, who passed away 2 days ago, had also tested positive for coronavirus. As per a BJP source, there were nearly 1,000 people at the cremation site. Social distancing norms, which you can see in those pictures also, was not followed. The incident took place on Saturday while Lockdown 4.0 was in place, and where clearly it's been mandated that not more than 20 people can attend a funeral. Devankur is joining us live with more details on this. Dev, are we expecting that all these leaders who've been quarantined could undergo tests for coronavirus? Secondly, the norm is very clear. This happened while Lockdown 4.0 was in place, which means that only 20 people could be a part of a funeral. Are we going to be seeing any sort of action by authorities on that front?
Well, Akshita, I've spoken with the state BJP chief, Dr. Satish Punia. He's on record mentioning that he has already undergone test and is awaiting result. And while he's awaiting results, he has gone into self-isolation, home isolation. And there are several top BJP leaders, including former ministers, the likes of Kalicharan Saraf, Rajendra Rathod, who have held key portfolios in the Vasundhara Raje regime, who are currently in home isolation, given the fact that all of them were present during the final rites, during the cremation or the last respects that were being paid to the former state BJP chief Bhanwar Lal Sharma. As far as this person is concerned, he was working as a PA of Bhanwar Lal Sharma when he was a minister in Rajasthan government, and when it was revealed, had tested positive for coronavirus. There is a clear and present scare amongst the BJP leaders, the top BJP leadership that was present of Rajasthan during the funeral of Bhanwar Lal Sharma. In fact, not just state BJP leaders, but several Congress leaders were also present at that point in time. So clearly several top leaders currently fearing or apprehensive right now in Rajasthan, and I believe that several of them have self-isolated them. The state BJP chief with whom I did a phone interview,
right,
he mentioned to me that this was something which was not anticipated. They did not anticipate so many people turning up at the final rites, and clearly some kind of precautions should have been taken, and so many people should not have come at a time when Lockdown 4.0 was still in place.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
The restrictions that came with that Lockdown 4.0 were very much in place.
That is really the question, Dev, about why such an event was allowed. It was the demise of a high-profile leader. Surely the administration saw this coming and should have then ensured that all norms were followed. Dev, for the moment, thank you for joining us. We'll continue getting you the latest on that story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.